In the last video, we saw files and folder structure of our app. In this video, we will discuss about fundamental concept of components. So, component represent the part of user interface. Components are the building blocks of ReactJS. Let's take one example. Go to Google and type reactjs.org. This whole website is made up of component. The navbar is one component, the button is one component, the header is one component, and the footer is one component. All the components are combined to make one app. Each component describes the part of user interface. The whole website is made up of component. It is combined with one root component, that is app component. So components are reusable. That means when we make one component, that can be used in different places with different properties. Like as the button component is used in many places with different properties. So components are very important in ReactJS. Let's go to VS Code. Components are of two types. First is functional component, second is class-based component. The functional component is like as the JavaScript function that return a HTML, and the second type of component is class-based component, that is ES6 class, that is like as ES6 class. In functional component we return a HTML, but in class-based component we render a method. Inside this method we return a HTML. So both are very important in ReactJS. Let's make one functional component and one class-based component. We have functional-based component, that is app.js. It is like as the JavaScript function which return the HTML. So in the functional-based component, we use the keyword function and name of the function. Inside the curly bracket, we return the HTML code. Then in the last, we export the function-based component. So let's make one class-based component. Go to source folder and make one folder with name component. All the components are placed inside the folder component. Then let's make one file. Component is represented with .js. So in the first, we always import the React. Then to make class-based component, write class, name of the class. We always write the first letter capital in the class-based component or in the component. Class navbar extends react.component. It inherits the React library. Inside this we write render method. Inside render we return HTML code. So h1 hello. So in the last we export the class-based component, this navbar. In this way we write class-based component. This is function-based component and navbar.js is class-based component. Thanks for watching.